Hello everyone, welcome to Gate Academy. In this session, we will solve few questions based upon the cyclic property of data type, basically integer data type. We have already covered what is cyclic property. Sir, what is that circle for unsigned and signed? Okay, let me give you first question. Sir, question number 1. Hash include stdio.h void main int a is equal to 65536 or let me make it 65537. Assuming integer takes 2 byte. Assuming integer take 2 byte. Sir, what is the format specifier for integer? The same for short integer. Sir, the format specifier for short integer as well as for integer is same, which is %d. Okay. Sir, what is the output of this code? Sir, we know one thing that if we don't provide signed or unsigned, then by default what it is? Sir, by default it is signed. If we don't specify the sign, that means a number could be positive as well as it could be negative. That means, sir, what is happening with this first line? Okay, sir, if we are talking about signed numbers, okay, sir, if we are talking about signed numbers, then the picture is like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And here comes 32767. 32767 in 2 bytes. Well, sir, in 2 byte, what is the range of signed? Minus 327682 plus 32767. And it goes like this. Sir, positive and then negative, like this. Minus 32768, minus 32767 and so on. That is %d. Okay. But on the other hand, if we talk about unsigned, then the diagram is like this. Because the range is from 0 to 65535. Sir, %u, or you can say unsigned. What happened with first line of code? Sir, because of this, somewhere in memory, a variable is created with some address, but we don't care about address as of now. Okay, and we are trying to store a value 65537 inside A. So first, can we store this value in an integer that occupy 2 bytes? Sir, let's see the circle. Sir, the allowed range is from minus 32768 plus 32767. That means the maximum positive value we can store inside a signed integer that occupy 2 byte is this. That means one thing is for sure, sir, this A variable cannot hold this. We cannot store 65537 inside this variable A. Then what will happen? Whether it is an error? No. Sir, what happened? Try to understand. Sir, we have to follow this circle. Okay. Sir, from 0 till 32767, it goes it like this. Sir, for positive number, we need to move like this, of course. Sir, 32767, okay. Then, sir, till here, what is the count? Till here, what is the count? Sir, if you don't know, see this circle. Sir, we go We go like this, and again come back at O. How many numbers we have already covered? Sir, 65536. 65536. And still our number, still our number is one more than this particular number. That means, sir, we are moving in clockwise direction. We covered one circle, but 65536, and our number is one more than this. That means we will move ahead. What is the number? Is it 65536? Is it 65537? No, sir. What is the number that goes inside our variable? Sir, it is nothing but the number 1. It is nothing but the number 1. Try to understand. Actually, you can follow. Try to understand it again. Sir, we have to follow this circle, that is for sure, okay. But sir, we need to count from 0 till 65537. Try to understand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir, till now, how many numbers we have covered? 3, 2, 7, 6, 7. Sir, because our number is positive, we will keep moving in this direction, clockwise direction. Okay, we keep on moving. How many numbers already covered? Sir, this circle contains 65536 number. That means we have already covered 65536 number. But what is our number? Sir, one more than 65536. That means we will move one more position. So what will we get? What will we get? Sir, we get number 1. That means, what is the value that gets stored inside A? Sir, it is not 65537, but actually it is 1. Sir, inside A, what will be stored? Inside A, what will be stored? Inside A, 1 will be stored. Okay. Let's finish this. We have already done with this. Sir, now printf. Sir, what printf does? It used to print. So at the current cursor position, by looking at %d, compiler gets to know that some integer value is to be printed, because %d is the format specifier for short integer as well as for integer. That means compiler get to know, array, it's %d. That means some integer value is to be printed. Okay, but from where to fetch that integer value? Go at named memory location A, collect this value and print it. That is why the output of this code is 1. The output of this code is 1. But my assumption is that integer is taking 2 bytes. Sir, why you are saying my assumption is that integer is taking 2 bytes? Because I have already told you that C or C++ standard don't say anything about what should be the size of integer, what should be a size of a data type. Then it may vary from compiler to compiler. That is why I am saying, let us assume integer take 2 bytes, then what is the output of this particular code? So don't mug up these things, that integer always take 2 bytes or integer always take 4 bytes. In general, most of the modern day compiler, they used to have integer of 4 bytes, but it may vary from compiler to compiler. Okay, sir, done. Let us try to focus on another question. Sir, void main unsigned int a is equal to -2. Unsigned int a is equal to -2. Printf %u, a, and don't forget to include stdio.h that contains the information related to printf. Okay, sir. Sir, what will happen from the first line? Okay, sir, somewhere in memory, a named identity is created with some address, but we don't care about address. And sir, what is the type? The type is unsigned. That means, sir, if if integer take 2 bytes, then what should be the range of unsigned? Although we have already covered this, but let me again explain this. So, if this is unsigned, then the values start from 0 and it goes till sir, it goes till 65535. It goes till 65535. 65535. Okay. But if it is signed, the range is, sir, on the same way, the half circle is same, and in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so the very first thing we need to understand is, sir, what is this? This is a value. Can we store this value in unsigned integer? Sir, let me check the circle for unsigned integer. Is there any negative value? No, sir. These are the possible values we can store inside unsigned integer variable. Sir, -2 is not here. -2 is not here. Sir, for negative value, if you wanted to check, sir, where is negative value in this circle? Sir, if you start from 0, you need to go 2 elements in anti-clockwise direction. Sir, -2 is present in signed circle over here. Then, sir, how -2 is stored? See the equivalence between these two circles. Sir, it does not matter. Again, we will start from 0 and we will move 2 position in anti-clockwise direction. Sir, what will we get? Sir, we get the value 65534. That means what is the value that gets stored inside A? Is it -2? Sir, we cannot store -2 in an unsigned integer. That is what we are trying to learn. How values are mapped from these cyclic property. Sir, that means what is the value that goes inside here? Sir, it is nothing but 65534. Done. Sir, next, what is the task of printf? Sir, the task of printf is nothing but whatever you provide in double quotes, it will print as it is. So that means what we are trying to print? Sir, we are trying to print this. But is it text mode? No, sir, because this is the format specifier for unsigned integer. So by looking at this, compiler gets to know that at current cursor position, what? Sir, some integer value is to be printed. But from where we should collect that value? We are telling, OA printf, go at memory location A, collect this value and print it here. So, what is the output of this code? Sir, the output of this code is 65534. The output of this code is 65534. I hope you get to know about this. Sir, done. Okay. Let us solve few more problems. Sir, why unnecessary making these circles again and again? Let us use the same circle, na? Sir, void main. Unsigned int A is equal to $65540, and let us try to print %u comma A, and again the same assumption that integer takes 2 bytes. Think for a moment, think for 10 to 20 seconds and Try to figure out the answer by yourself. Otherwise, I am going to solve it for sure. Sir, sir, the very first line, sir, inside memory, one variable or named memory location is created with the name A and with some address 4092. Now, we are trying to store a value 65540 inside this. But what is the type of A? We have already mentioned, we declared that A, the data type associated with A is unsigned int. Let me check whether this value falls in the range for unsigned integer or not. 65540. Sir, this range of unsigned integer, the range for unsigned integer of 2 byte is 65535. 0 to 65535. That means, sir, 65540 does not fall in this particular range. Is it an error? No, sir. What should we do? Sir, since it is a positive number, we keep on counting. That means, sir, we started from here. 1, 2, 3. We complete the entire circle. How many values we have covered? Sir, from 0 to 0, we have covered all values. How many are they? 65536. Try to understand. But our value 65540 is how much more than 65536? Sir, we can calculate. Sir, our value is 4 more than 65536. That means we need to count 4 more. Try to understand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means where should we stop? Sir, at 4. That means, sir, internally this 65540 is nothing but the value 4. Internally, this is mapped as the value 4. That means what is the value that gets stored inside A? Sir, it is nothing but 4. Try to understand this concept. Sir, then from printf, sir, it is same thing. We know what it does. If this is the output screen, sir, it is going to, sir, %u, inform the compiler that some integer values to be printed of unsigned type. Okay. Then from where to collect? Go at memory location A, collect the value and print it. So the output of this code is 4. Don't think there is an error. Sir, what we are doing here? We are working on the cyclic property of integer data type. Done, sir. Done. Okay. Let me finish. Let me rub this so that we can work upon. Sir, let's solve few more questions. So that clarity of concept would be there. Okay, sir. Void main int I. Try to understand. Int I is equal to 33000 printf %d comma I, and of course for printf related information we need to include #include is tdio.h. Sir, think for a moment. Pause the video for 10 seconds or 20 seconds and try to solve this question by yourself. I hope you must have guessed what is the output of this code. Not guessed, you must have worked out what is the output of this code. Sir, from the very first line, what happened? Sir, as we didn't mention anything, so by default it is signed. Okay, sir. Some variable with the name I or some identifier I is created in memory with some address, and we are trying to store this value inside this. First, we need to check whether this value falls in the category for signed integer or not. Whether this value falls in the range of signed integers or not. Let me check. Sir, signed integer. Sir, the maximum possible value we can store is 32767. Okay, does that mean it is an error? No, sir. Sir, we will try to figure it out. Since it is a positive number, we start from 0, and we move in the clockwise direction. Sir, till here, try to understand. How many values we have already counted? 32767. Is that okay? 32767. But our number is more than this. Sir, how much more than this? Try to understand. How much more than this? Figure it out. How much more than this? Sir, you can subtract it like 33,000 minus 32767. It turns out to be 233. Sir, we need to count. Since our number is positive, we need to count 233 more in this particular direction. We need to count 233 more in this particular direction. Sir, if we count one more in this direction, what will we get? Minus 32768. If we count 2, then what will we get? Sir, minus 32767. Try to understand. Sir, if we count 2 more, we are getting this value. If we count 2 more, then we are getting this value. If we count 3 more, we will get minus 32766. Isn't it okay? Then try to figure it out. What if we count 233 more? Then what should be the answer? Try to understand this. Sir, we are nothing doing. We are doing something like this. Sir, how much you are counting? Just add. For example, if we are counting one more than this, that means what we are getting? Minus 32769 plus 1. Of course, if we count 2 more, that means what we are getting? Plus 2. I hope it is same. Yes, sir. That means what is the answer? Sir, of this? Minus 32769 plus 233. Try to find the answer. Sir, what is the answer now? Please find the answer. Sir, 32769, 233. What should be the answer? 63523 minus 32536. Minus 32536. So that is the value that gets stored inside the variable. Minus 32536. Okay. And we know what is the task of printf. Printf will print this value. Okay. That means what is the answer? What is the output of this code? Sir, it is nothing but minus 32536. Sir, can we count it directly? Try to understand. Can we count it directly? Think it. Sir, what is total number of values? See, don't do this much of calculation. Sir, what is the total number of values inside any circle? 65536. Sir, what is the value we have? 33000. Try to understand. 33000. Then, if I subtract 3300 from this, what I am getting? Sir, 32536. But you need to understand that after 32767, what we get? We will get a negative value. So that is why we are getting the answer as minus 32536. Please work upon it. Please work upon these kind of problems as much as you can, so that cyclic property must be clear to everyone who is watching this video. This is an important topic from placement point of view as well as from gate point of view. 2 times a question is asked. based upon size of operator and cyclic property. We will discuss that later on. So as of now, I hope everyone must got the concept of what is cyclic property, how we can use it to solve these kind of questions. So bye bye. Let's meet in next lecture. Take care.